everybody, Mason's Videos here with wTheSlimeyDude1. Today we are trying each other's snacks, and he already picked one out, so go ahead and do your tests. First guess.
No. And sort of a nut.
No. Part?
It's
Second guess.
a peanut.
No. Third guess?
Cashew.
Yep. Alright. Pick another one out of the bowls. Pick another one out of the bowl. Sorry, I dropped the iPad for a sec.
Okay, so what this is.
Alright. That one you have to open. Alright. First guess.
Cinnamon crackers.
Kind of. Well, yeah, technically, yes.
So yes, the crackers are?
Yeah. Look at them. You can't look at them right now. It's stuff. Yeah, they're cinnamon crackers. Alright.
Well, cinnamon graham.
Yeah, go ahead. First guess?
Some sort of like wine sort of thing, like cereal.
Yeah. Alright, second guess?
Well, I have to say
Say, yeah, say it. Think of a name. But if you can't think of the right name, I'll just give you a pass.
Kellogg.
No.
No, Flex? No.
Well, alright, let me just tell you. Want to give up? It's Life.
Slide?
Life cereal. Life cereal. Alright, alright. Close your eyes, and pick out the final one.
It's color coming out.
Yeah, sorry about that. It's the card.
Hey!
Go ahead. First guess?
Chocolate Oreo.
Yeah. Alright, you can look. Chocolate bunny cereal. Alright, Kuba, come over here. Hold the camera steady. I'm sorry, it's for jazz. Hold the camera steady. Wait, first put your snacks in the bowl and then put the bowl somewhere to hide. Then hold the camera. Okay?
I'm putting the pack in the ad.
What?
Pack in the ad.
No, just hold that just put those right there for now.
Hey, Kuba, can somebody make a pass so Grandma can walk by?
Oh,
Yeah.
my grandma. Okay. We're doing like a little snack test.
Yeah. Dude, fill up what? No, they don't get it.
My stuff? Yeah.
Yeah, put the stuff in there. Can you hold this? Can you hold this like this? Can you hold it like this, please?
Yeah, I gotta open
Exactly like that.
Sorry.
Daddy. Oh, yeah, I have to open it.
Alright. Did you tap the red button? What? Did you tap the red button? No.
Wait, don't do it yet, Mason.
I know, I'm just saying here.
No, so shut. Let me do it.
You had enough.